And hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. Now, today we'll be doing tables. You know, where you put your data in, there's like a bunch of squares, put your stuff in the squares, you know, that type of thing. Yes, we'll be doing the tables. Now, to make a table, you have the table tag. Now, what the table tag will do is will open up your table. But remember, with the table tag, you actually close off the table. So you gotta put in that slash table. Then inside of the table tag, you will have to put in the tr tag. This stands for table row. Like the first row, then it has things underneath it. Second row, things underneath it. Now inside of the tr tag, which will create a table row, you're going to put in td. Now what td will do is td will fill that row up, like from left to right, it will fill it up. Until you put in another tr, they will go one row down, and then you can put another td that will fill that row up. Td stands for table data. This makes it a bit easier since you put your data inside that square, and that square is the td. Okay, so let's quickly make one, and we'll give it 3 tds, which will make it have 3 things underneath the row. As you can see, there's nothing yet because I haven't added anything inside of the TD yet. Okay, now let's see how it looks. As you can see, there it is. You can't yet see the border because it is invisible. I'll show you how to make sure you can see the border. Now go to table, and in table type border and make it equal to 2. This will make the border equal to 2 pixels. Okay, now as you can see, the border is 2 pixels big. Now I'm going to show you how to make the TD span more than one cell. Now the square is called a cell, and I'm going to show you how to make one go through 2 cells. So like one square makes 2 cells full. So we're going to make another tr, which will give us a row underneath that one. Then we're going to put in 2 td tags, and the one we're just going to, the first one isn't going to be very interesting. It's just going to have basically nothing in it, nothing important in it. Then the next td tag, we shall add a call span, which is equal to 2. The call span makes it span a column, like one cell extra. So as you can see, now there's nothing special, and there's one empty square. We don't want that, so we're going to go to the second td tag. Then within that td tag, we're going to say call span equals 2, which will make it fill up more than one column. Okay, as you can see, it spans to more than one column, showing you how there is no line between them, which makes it as big as that. Now I will teach you how to align the table to the center. You should technically know how to do this, considering you've been with my tutorials up until now. If you haven't, I'll show you. So in the table, before or after border, it doesn't really matter. Put in a line tag. Equal it to the center. That's really all there is to it. Really easy. Okay, now it is possible to change the background color of an TD element. So let's make red by adding a BG color equals red. This stands for background color equals red. This works just in the HTML. You can do it using CSS, which is easier, but we'll learn that later. So let's make them all their actual colors, and that's where we'll end it off. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've had a great time here learning your stuff. See you all in the next tutorial.